Welcome. In this video I'm going to create a Lego basketball hoop with step-by-step, easy to follow building instructions. Let's begin. Take the 1x2 orange brick and stack the two 1x2 clear plates on top. Now place that atop the 1x4 plate with bar arm down and then set aside. Next, take 5 1x1 clear plates and stack them atop one another. We want to make 2 sets of these. Set these pieces side by side like so, and take 2 larger brick pieces, squeezing them together so that we can even out our 1x1 plates and make the sides flush. Take each stack of the 1x1 plates and place one on the right side of the 1x4 plate with bar arm down, and then place the other on the left side. Finish the top off with the 1x2 tiles, placing them side by side. Now take that entire piece and place it atop the 2x4x5 stanchion post, making sure it's centered. Turn to the back and attach the 1x2 30-degree slope. Grab the flotation ring and slide it onto the bar portion of the 1x4 plate. Let me bring in one of my half basketball courts so we can have a place to place our hoop. And let's not forget about our basketball. I've made several versions of my basketball hoop as well as the basketball court over the years, but I prefer the look of the smooth tile version. Let me know what you like best in the comment section. Be sure to keep an eye out for my next video on how to make a full-size basketball court. Subscribe if you haven't already. Take care everyone, and I'll see you next time. Happy building.